Hi there, I'm here to perform for the crowd tonight.
But I'm here too, for the same reason. You must be mistaken.
Nah, I'm here to perform, so fuck off.
Look, how about we settle this with a nice friendly Yo Mama fight?
Alright then, I'll go first. It doesn't matter, I'll win either way. Yo Mama's so fat, she's got more shins than a Chinese phone book.
Yo Mama's so fat, every time she turns around it's her birthday.
Yo Mama's so fat, she got a job as the screen at a cinema.
Yo Mama's so fat, the only reason she ran a marathon was because I told her there was a muffin at the end.
Yo Mama's so ugly, she makes blind kids cry.
Yo Mama's so short, when she smokes weed, she can't even get high.
Yo Mama's so fat, Dracula sucked her blood and got diabetes.
Yo Mama's so fat, her belly button gets home 15 minutes before she does.
Yo Mama's so fat, she sat on an iPod and made the iPad.
Yo Mama's so ugly, the government moved Halloween to her birthday.
Yo Mama's so ugly, when she goes to a strip club people pay her to keep her clothes on.
Yo Mama's so fat, light bends around her.
Yo Mama's so fat, NASA orbit a satellite around her.
Yo Mama's so stupid, it took her 2 hours to watch 60 Minutes.
Yo Mama's so fat, she walked past the TV and I missed 3 episodes.
Yo Mama's so fat, Earth had 9 moons but the other 8 now orbit her.
Yo Mama's so stupid, she thinks Tiger Woods is a forest in India.
Yo Mama's so stupid, she bought tickets to Xbox Live.
Yo Mama's so stupid, she took an umbrella to see Purple Rain.
Yo Mama's so fat, when she was in school she sat next to everyone.
Yo Mama's so fat, when she goes to an amusement park people try to ride her.
Yo Mama's so old, when she was at school there was no history class.
Yo Mama's so old, she owes Moses $5.
Yo Mama's so old, I told her to act her age and she died.
Yo Mama's so dumb, she tried to drown a fish.
Yo Mama's so fat, her blood type is lard.
Yo Mama's so poor, the bank repossessed her cardboard box.
Yo Mama's so fat, she cut her leg and gravy poured out.
Yo Mama's so stupid, she tripped over a cordless phone.
Yo Mama's so poor, she can't afford to pay attention.
Yo Mama's so stupid, she threw a rock at the ground and missed.
Yo Mama's so fat, she jumped in the air and got stuck.
Yo Mama's so short, she has to slam dunk her bus fare.
Yo Mama's so ugly, she gave Freddy Krueger nightmares.
Yo Mama's so fat, her farts cause hurricanes.
Yo Mama's so fat, she had to be baptized at SeaWorld. Looks like I'll be performing tonight.